Man, I really need a truck mount bad. And a van too. Wow, this looks like a great deal right here. Here's the machine and the truck for $25,000 of 2017. You know, all of us at one time or another have needed some used equipment, and we've all sweated over different ads. However, a lot of us don't know where to go to look or how to break down an ad. So what I'm going to do is show you 5 places that I look almost every single day for used vans and used equipment, and I'm going to break down an ad for you. Take a look. Okay, the first place I check every day is our TMF Buy Sell Trade page. It's a group. So if you go ahead and click on groups, move over to here, you're going to see I can click right on TMF Buy Sell and Trade page. This has almost 6,500 different cleaners. However, don't forget, some people do use the truck mount forums, carpet cleaning professionals, and both of these links will be there, but we like to refer people to the TMF Buy Sell Trade page. Just click it, open it up, start scrolling. It's the first thing I do each day. You see wands for sale, whether it's upright wands, stair tools, tanks, machines, we got it all here. Okay, the second place is Facebook also, but now I'm going to start looking locally. So all I'm going to do is to scroll down to Marketplace, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in carpet cleaning. And I'm going to scroll down and see what's available in my area. Okay, number 3 is Craigslist. I do the same thing. I go to my local Craigslist, which would be Norfolk, Virginia, and for me, and I'll type in carpet cleaning. Take a look, see what's available. Start scrolling down. Hey, look, here's a truck mount, full van setup, all ready to go. Okay, number 4 is local also, but what I like to do is just type in local carpet cleaning companies. And you're probably wondering, hey, why are you doing this, Rob, right? That's because a lot of local companies, especially multi-truck companies, turn their trucks and vans and machines over approximately every 3 to 5 years. So that being the case, you can generally pick up a good value. Just pick up the phone and give them a call. Okay, number 5 is I'm going to go to Google again, but this time I'm going to type in truck mount forums. And this is a cool little secret a lot of people don't know. I'm actually going to go to the forum itself. I'll click on that. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see the classifieds. And this is a little known secret. You go down here, you can take a look, get past the stickies. Here we go. Here's a 2012 Ford E350 with 18,000 miles ready to go. Take a look. Okay, like I said, I'm going to go ahead now and break down one of these ads right here. I found a very interesting one. Before I do, let's review those 5 again. Number 1 is the TMF Buy Sell Trade page on Facebook. Number 2 is Facebook again, but that's your local marketplace. Number 3 is Craigslist. Number 4 is your local cleaning companies. Number 5 is TruckMountForums.com. Now let's get a closer look at this ad. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this ad here on Craigslist. You notice here, wow, it's a 2020 Chevy Express 2500. I prefer a 2500 or 3500. Some 1500s will work, but puts a lot of weight on the system, so I feel pretty good about that. The hours are extremely low, 43 hours on the machine. Why? This is a little bit of a colder environment, so I want to make sure that it's been stored and nothing got frozen. That's really important too. The price seems a little high. It's coming from a dealer, but it's not a carpet cleaning dealer. It's a used car lot. But overall, I mean, it's super low hours, so that means the truck's still under warranty. It's in really clean shape. I'm looking through all the pictures. I like having a lot of pictures. I'm going to go ahead and call the company and see what they have to offer. Go down and definitely take a look at it, especially local. I think that's really nice. If it's out of town, get more pictures and maybe even request a video. That's what I like to do. Request a video and look over their reviews. Do your due diligence. That's really important. But this looks like a really good value for the money. You can't hardly go wrong because the truck's still on the warranty. And check and see if there's any warranty left on the machine too. That's really important. And who services it. Maybe you're local and it's something you can work on. So those are little things I like to go through. But let's move over here for a second. And remember I mentioned there was a 2012 on here for sale. Now this is a VLM setup. So there's nothing wrong with that, but it's got a phone number. Call the person, get a good feel for it, and do your due diligence again. But that basically sums it up. These are 2 good ads. And if you're in doubt, there's nothing wrong with calling here at TMF and talking with one of us. And if you can get a hold of me, I'll be glad to walk you through it. You know, as a cleaner myself, I realize how hard it is to save the money up, to be able to buy new equipment or used equipment to keep my business going on a consistent basis and growing. So I want you to be careful not to be scammed. How can you do that? Well, on Craigslist itself, there's a heading in here. If you look at it, it says avoiding scams and fraud. And all you have to do is go down that list right there, and it helps you do all your due diligence. And lastly, remember, if you have a bad gut feeling about something, perhaps you shouldn't move forward with it. And if you're still in doubt, you're welcome to call our 800 number here at tmfshop.net, and either myself or one of the technicians will be able to walk you through just about any situation that you come across. Well, I'm Rob Allen with Truck Mount Forums. I hope you enjoyed this video.